As the summer heat continues to sweep across the region, so do the sporadic storms. Tuesday afternoon brought a familiar sight to many areas, as spotty storms made their presence known once again. These isolated bursts of precipitation brought relief to some and inconvenience to others, highlighting the unpredictable nature of summer weather. Residents across the region, from Spokane to North Idaho, found themselves once again bracing for the possibility of thunderstorms. While not everyone experienced the same intensity of weather, the potential for isolated strong thunderstorms loomed large. Meteorologists had been closely monitoring the atmospheric conditions, noting the ingredients coming together for the development of these storms. Warm, moist air clashed with cooler air masses, creating the perfect recipe for atmospheric instability. This instability fueled the formation of convective cells, which in turn led to the development of the scattered storms. In Spokane, some residents reported hearing rumbles of thunder in the distance, while others watched as dark clouds rolled in ominously. The sporadic nature of these storms meant that while one neighborhood might experience heavy rainfall and gusty winds, just a few miles away, the skies remained clear. North Idaho saw a similar story unfold, with pockets of intense rainfall and lightning strikes punctuating an otherwise sunny day. For many, it was a reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature, as well as the importance of being prepared for sudden changes in weather. While these storms may have been isolated, they served as a reminder to residents to stay vigilant during the summer months. With the potential for severe weather always present, it's essential to stay informed and have a plan in place for when storms strike. As the afternoon turned to evening, the storms began to dissipate, leaving behind cooler temperatures and dampened streets. While some welcomed the respite from the heat, others were left to clean up debris and assess any damage caused by the passing storms. Looking ahead, meteorologists advise that while the threat of storms may diminish in the coming days, the summer weather pattern is likely to persist. With hot temperatures and the potential for afternoon storms, residents are reminded to stay weather aware and be prepared for whatever Mother Nature may bring.